Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Look at these earrings. I am going to make a Skillshare class about these earrings, but not right now because I have just got my first class approval yesterday. So I need to wait one more week until I publish. And most of the video is already there, and I have already published the draft. And make it public takes some time and takes the approval procedure. But this class, I want to share some of my experience with Skillshare class and particularly promote my cooking class. So you have seen, some of friends have seen one of my cooking class, a 2 minutes class intro, and then I put it Skillshare class introduction, and I posted on YouTube. And then some friends said, oh, that's good, but unfortunately I cannot find your video. I cannot find the class link. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. My name is Yanghaiying. I am a teacher, and today I would like to share some of my homemade recipe. They are simple and easy, and you can add your own character flavor into the food. Ooh, I have finished it because it's so delicious. In this cooking class, I mostly focus on vegetables. Maybe sometimes with some meat, but mostly to eat vegetables, green leaf, root vegetable. You will see the recipe, you will see the step-by-step cooking, and there is not very much editing in it. And a 10 minutes video is mostly a 10 minutes of the cooking process, so that you are not rushed into preparing something. We are cooking together. That's it. Bon appetito. Is that pretty? Oh, pretty. Intro. And then I put it Skillshare class introduction, and I posted on YouTube. And then some friends said, oh, that's good, but unfortunately I cannot find your video. I cannot find the class link. And the reason is the class got a strike, a quality strike. The reason is that I want to make that class more true to life, and step by step, more true to the original sound, original environment. So the sound quality is not good. You can hear a lot of this pa, 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 the vegetable popping sound, and you can hear a lot of sometimes maybe even some air ventilation fan sound. And sometimes when I did the cooking, I did not talk, right? When you chop the vegetable, you do not talk. You need to focus on it. So the video was not approved at that moment. I published that video, and the next morning I received a content strike because of the audio quality, because of the health claim. I said to make delicious vegetable and learn to prepare vegetable, cook delicious and healthy dishes. So Skillshare does not like people to make this self-claim. It's good for your health, it's healthy. So I changed those wordings. Well, when you have a big company like Skillshare, like other platform, and you say something like that, maybe our conscience is good, but maybe they need a different requirement. So I changed the wording of it, make simple and easy dishes at home. Another thing is the sound quality. So what I have done, I remade the video. I changed a little bit of the recipe of the food, so it's kind of a complete change. The first one, I cook a normal hearty salad, and this time I made cucumber, tomato, and black olive and caper salad, which is cool, it's beautiful. And when I did it, when I chop, I do not talk. When I talk, I do not chop. When I stir fry, another one is a stir fry zucchini, eggplant. When I stir fry, no talking. And if I want to talk, I cover up the pot with lid. And then I get closer to the microphone to talk. So the sound quality got approved. And the video quality, this time the video quality was good. So you can see the whole process. And it's 5 or 6 recipes, 5 or 6 cookings. So I have a class description, a project description, and I have posted the recipe on the video descriptions. So you will get the step-by-step cooking and a recipe, and some previous video I thought that was pretty good, I want to keep, so I re-edited completely. It's a 12 minutes or 10 minutes video, and I cut it short into the real process, into an edited process. So I put in cooking oil, let it heat, then no sound. Then I put oil, put in the heat, and then chop up. I look for the oil bottle, I look for the soya sauce, those kind of, I chop it up. And you do not hear the step-by-step sound. I walk away to look for something sound. So it's very clear. 2 minutes later, put in the vegetable. Then I will cut that 2 minutes, which you will wait for random. And open it lid, another frame. 2 minutes later, you can see the vegetable like this. And then I will cook another 2 minutes without talking, cut it out. Okay, then 2 minutes later, 2 more minutes later, the food is done. Now we will do the plating. Usually at this time, I will go to pull up this drawer, pull out another drawer, and then open up the cupboard, and something fall down, and the drawer has a huge noise. Cut it out. And now you can see this beautiful plate. You can see this tantalizing plate. Enjoy. Bon appetito. So the whole process is much more clear cut. And if you still want to look at my video of this family kind of style, a little bit messy, relaxing style, those videos are still on my YouTube. But on TikTok, I made an attention to make it instructional and tell this process of doing it, and make a clear demonstration and cut off the things that is not needed. There is some difference, I know. I chat with my family. I said my Skillshare class got closed for one night, actually 2 or 3 nights, until they finally approved my class. And then I said, I'm kind of sad. Of course, I'm kind of, feel bad. And he said, my family said, you are teaching a class, not making a video for yourself. Something like it. And these really make it very, very sensible, very right. You go to Skillshare, you learn something, and people usually have a purpose to learn things. They want it quick and straightforward. And you go to YouTube, you do not have that responsibility to teach something. YouTube, you are expressing yourself. You are having fun with the everyday things. Okay, so now another 5 minutes. It's almost good. Let's take a look. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Pepper, hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Salt and pepper. Hello. Little bit of the cooking oil as a finishing touch. Good. Teach something. YouTube, you are expressing yourself. You are having fun with the everyday things. And people come here, it's because they want to relax. They want to have some real life messiness, real life clumsiness, which makes it more like real life, which is just the real life. So come to my YouTube to see the whole process of making food. I try to avoid editing. Not try to avoid, I just too lazy to do editing. Put on the camera, it rolls. If there is something, suddenly a big explosion, something fall down, I will cut it out. But otherwise, YouTube video does not have very much editing. And Skillshare class, I try to make it more educational, more right to the point, without this relaxed or without this messiness. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.